Hi everyone, my name is Natasha Salvaraj and I'm a real estate attorney at Berlin Patton Ebling. Did you know one of the many free resources we offer is a title calculator to help you make your transactions smoother? Today I'm going to show you how to use it. Open your web browser and go to our website www.berlinpatton.com. Click on the blue widget that looks like a calculator on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Click Register to create an account. Enter the information requested such as your name, email address, and create a password. Once finished, you'll be sent a confirmation email to the email address you provided to confirm your sign up, and you'll be able to begin using your account. There are many great ways to use the title capture tool. The first is to create a seller net sheet. To do so, you'll click New Estimate and then click Seller Net Sheet. Enter the property location, starting with a general area, for example, Sarasota County if you don't have an exact property address yet. Enter the sales price and tentative closing date. Select who pays for title insurance. This will automatically default to whatever's customary based on your property location that you indicated. Indicate whether the property is a condo and if there's a prior title insurance policy that was issued within the last 3 years, entering the policy amount if applicable. If there are outstanding loans on the property, estimate the loan payoff, enter the real estate broker commissions and any transaction fees that the seller is paying. For properties with homeowners associations, use the drop-down menu to enter that information, including any dues, estoppel fees, and any transfer fees if applicable. Enter the annual property taxes or an estimate if you don't have the exact amount. Add any other credits or expenses like seller credits for closing costs or anything being provided towards repairs. Once all the information is entered, click Calculate. You'll see a breakdown of all of the costs, the seller's net amount, and all the information you entered. The top section shows the net amount to the seller, followed by a detailed breakdown of all of the other costs included in the calculation, such as the documentary stamp taxes, payoffs, credits, commissions, and any other fees. You can edit the title to reflect the property address or your client's name and then download it as a PDF. Once you do that, you can email it to your client. You do also have the option to email it directly from the program. If any information needs to be adjusted, go back to edit and make changes and then hit recalculate. All of the quotes that you generate are also saved under all estimates for easy reference as you move towards a transaction. You can add as much or as little information as you want to generate your quotes. Another feature of the title calculator is creating a buyer title quote. To use this feature, click on the New Estimate and then select Title Quote. Enter the property address if you have it or a generic area like Sarasota County if needed, and then go from there. Choose whether this is a cash transaction, a refinance, or a purchase with financing. Let's select Purchase with Financing for this example. Enter the sales price and loan amount, and then similar to the net sheet, you'll select who pays for the title charges so that those could populate. Once again, it will default to whatever's customary for where the property is located. Indicate if the property is a condo and if there's a prior policy that was issued within the last 3 years. Review and adjust any required title endorsements and title fees as necessary and click Calculate. Remember, once again, you can add as little or as much information as you want. Edit the title of the estimate with either your client's name or property address. Review all of the charges, including the closing fee, title insurance premium, lender's title insurance costs, and adjust any fees as needed, like removing a survey fee if you realize that one might not be needed. If you make any changes, you'll have to click Calculate again to update the quote. Once again, you'll have the option to email the quote directly from the site or download it as a PDF and attach it to an email. That's how easy it is to use Berlin Patton Ebling's title calculator to create accurate seller net sheets as well as buyer title quotes. This tool is very user-friendly and can be used on your computer or mobile device if you're on the go to generate both seller net sheets as well as buyer title quotes.